Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple curly hair bun tutorial and edges. I'm going to lay these edges as best as I can because some days it works and some days it just don't. So we'll see. Let's just get into the video. How about that? Okay, so here's my before. I'm gonna start, my hair's a little dry, you know, it's like day 5, 6, I don't even remember anymore. So yeah, this is one of those buns that like, you're not really ready for wash day, but you still need to style it, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna start off with some oil. I'm gonna be using the Main Choice. This is their Exotic Kool-Aid Mellow Melon and Nectarine Melted Shine Oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this all over my hair, especially my ends, because my ends need some extra love. Okay, so before this camera cut me off, I was putting in the oil, making sure my hair is not too dry. It's gonna be washed anyways, but I just like to add this extra step. Okay, now I'm gonna put in, let me get my water bottle. Okay, so I didn't wet the whole thing. I just wet the top that I'm gonna be brushing to get it into a bun. I'm gonna be using this cream from Earth Supply. It's a curl activator cream, but I think any cream is fine. I just like the smell of this one. I'm just putting a little bit. Smells so good. It's a little thick too. I'd rather use a thick cream when I'm putting my hair up in a bun, just because I don't want to use like a leave-in conditioner or something like that, something that's going to be too slippery. Like, I need it to be thick so it can hold my hair up. And then it also feels really nice too. This hard bristle brush, I don't know what you call them. Growing up we used to call it a dog brush, so I don't know what everybody else calls it. So I'm just gonna comb my hair into the position where I'm gonna have my bun. I'm gonna try and make sure it's all smooth, especially the back. And I like mine's a little higher, so I'm gonna put it kind of at the front of my head. So now it's all smooth. I might get some gel if there's anything sticking out. So I'm gonna use some edge control for my edges, so I might take some of that gel and put it on here if there's any hair sticking up. I'm using 2 rubber bands just because one is not enough to hold my thick hair, and sometimes it breaks. For some reason when I use 2 it don't break, so yeah. Okay, so now it's nice and tight. Let me just tighten it a little bit more. You can leave it as a ponytail too if you want, but I feel like it's too messy for me. Okay, so now that it's in a ponytail, I am gonna take another rubber band. I'm gonna split this in half, just like this. And then I'm gonna start twisting. Twist. And there we go. Got a little top knot right there, if you want to just spread it a little. Okay, and so I have a little bit of hair sticking up, so I am going to use the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Sculpting Gel. Just gonna get a little. Gonna take my toothbrush. Okay, and then usually I would use edge control, but I think I'm just gonna stick with the gel just so I don't have like that greasy look on my edges. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more, just a little. And I probably should have brushed them out before, but it's okay. We gonna make it work. Like I said, sometimes it works for me and sometimes it doesn't. That's why I don't even bother sometimes doing my edges, because they just have a mind of their own. And then I'm gonna brush some sideburns, just a little bit, just a little. Okay, so that's probably the best I could do right now for my edges, because it's just not working out today like it should be. So yeah, well, this is the final look, and yeah, I'm feeling it. When you're trying to go for something sleek, you know, something real sleek, something simple, here it is. Thank you guys so much for coming to my YouTube channel. I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. As always, I am so thankful for your support, and I hope to see you in my next video. Let's see. Cute or no? Nah. On your notification so you know when I'm posting. That was too much, so I'm gonna do that one more time. Okay, and make sure you put some suggestions down below so that I know what to. Oh my gosh, if this hair would get out my eye. For me, today I'm going to be doing a simple, what am I doing? Can you see that? Is my camera? Okay. I'm actually feeling my hair right now. I wasn't feeling it before, but I'm feeling it now. Okay.